Hi guys, I've received my new Samsung S23 Ultra today in the post, so let's open this and see what's inside the box. The delivery was very quick. I've ordered it yesterday and it came through by DPD today. So okay, so this is the box, and there's a V stripe here to open it. Open it from here, and so this is the way it look like. So just like a invoice inside. Put it here on the side. It's for recycling. If you have to recycling any box, they have now provide a bag for recycling if you have to recycle your box somewhere. So we put this on side as well. This is if you have to send it back. So this is the label for send it back. So basically I can show you inside this box there's another box. So you open this box and like this, ta-ta, and you can see there is my Samsung S23 Ultra, which look very slim to me. In the box is very slim. So we open this seal up and see what it look like from inside. Okay, so I've opened this box now. Oh, the box is very smart. It opened this way, and then the phone is inside like that. Oh wow, it's so gorgeous. And I'm not sure what's this. I'm sure that might be a screen protector with it or something like that. So I will put that on side. So it's on lavender color, matches with my Samsung Galaxy watch. So and let's see what else we got in the box. So I didn't see any charging cable. Let's see. I think the charging cable is here. So now we open this. So there you go. So in this you got some manual, a lightning charging cable, which is cable C, and the pin to take out the SIM card. So yeah, there it is, Samsung Galaxy 23 Ultra. uh, I will put my SIM inside and see what is the result like is on this phone, and I will update you. Thanks guys for watching me. Bye bye.